Can you elaborate on the shift from high volume to customization and higher value creation?
See, if you see a few decades back, 2-3 decades back in India, you had limited choice of products on the road. You had Premier, you had Ambassador, you had Vespa, you had Lambretta. Those were the only choices which were available. And the factories which produced these vehicles, day in, day out, they used to churn out the same product for several years. Industries use special purpose machines and automation to churn out those products, and by no means those were high-end products, those were low-end, low-cost products meant for Indian public, for Indian consumption, who at that time what was thought that they could not afford anything better or anything costlier than that. Okay, so those were the only products which were being mass produced. And ditto, for all the product segments you had limited choice, and those products were mass produced, so there was very big volume but very less variety and hardly any choice. Okay, so we were operating in that mode when we started. But then in 90s came the international market, they get crashed into India, and then we had plethora of choices and lot of variety. And as a result, now no single product ever touches those kind of volumes, because there are so many variants, there are so many versions of same product also. So now people want variety, they need a change, they want a wide choice, and they want things to be customized. They want exclusivity also. Okay. Now, no lady would like to buy a sari which her neighbor would also wear one day. Obviously. So they are looking for some exclusivity. Now that brings in the need for customization. So going further, there will be more customization, there will be more variety, but lesser volume of each product. Gross volume will be more, but for individual products, the volume will not be so much. And the lifetime will not be so much. They will come and they will fade out very fast, like those entertainment electronic stuff. Okay. So they will come and they will go very fast. Now for that you require a production setup which has to be adaptive, which has to be versatile, which can quickly do setup change from one product to next product to next product. Okay. And even expertise has to catch up like that. The competency also has to go in that proportion, in that way. Right. So going further, it will be more of change management, more of creativity, more of switching from X to Y to Z. Now that is going to happen more frequently. So that's what I said, that recipe-based learning cannot take us very far. We have to have something which makes us more versatile, which increases our bandwidth, which enables us to do variety of jobs and various competencies which are adjacent to our domain. We should have some knowledge of those.